Get the puppy's attention with a treat and practice the sit for putting equipment on and off.
Sit. Yes. Good girl. What's that?
Your puppy has been practicing their heel on the left-hand side. It is important to spend the first week practicing with your pup in a low distraction environment so you can both get used to each other, like inside your house, yard, or on the driveway. Once successful, you can start practicing in a medium distraction and eventually high distraction environments. When your pup does something right, mark that moment by saying, "Yes," then reward with a treat. Here I am practicing in the house. Stop when I stop. Sit. Yes. Reward with a treat. Let's go.
Sit. Yes. Good girl. Let's go.
If your pup is misbehaving, mark that moment with a harsh sounding loud "uh-uh" to indicate that you disagree, then find an alternative behavior and reward the pup for that alternative. Uh-uh. Good girl. Sit. Yes. Place. Sit. Down.
Place. Sit. Down. Yes. Good girl.
At this young age, having your pup's attention and adding visual cues is even more important than your verbal words. Let's watch those hand gestures.
Place. Sit. Down. Yes. Good girl.
You can use any two objects in your house to practice steering: left turns, right turns, stop, and go. A common mistake for puppy owners is to assume that their pup is able to focus on obedience in highly stimulating environments without any practice at home first. Since we can't expect a puppy to heel perfectly in a high distraction environment, take the long line to the park, let them play, explore, and hang out. Keep practicing leash skills when you can be in a quieter area or environment. In this clip, we started with 15 minutes of playing and exploring on the long line before expecting the pup to focus. The tie-out is a critical part of our program and should continue to be practiced at home. It's important to remember to reward the behavior that you want to see more of, like calm and patience. Avoid rewarding barking, whining, or jumping up. For more detailed information regarding tie-out, please watch the link provided to you titled, What is a Tie-out? To make sure your pup does not turn into a door dasher, you should practice wait every time you are going out your front door and or gate. Your pup is still very young and will struggle with impulse control at this age. For now, when you are in a new environment, start small each time. Build the stay one baby step at a time, like this. And silly moves like this.